the start of World Sprint King Usain Bolt's last hurrah on the international stage, with the first run of the 100 meters set for Friday and the final set for Saturday afternoon Jamaica time. Now, I have always had a major problem with the stellar blue ribbon event in track and field, the 100 meters dash, being run on the first 2 days of the major championships. That, to me, is like playing the World Cup final game on the first day of the World Cup tournament, if it could happen. We're talking about, in this instance, the official send-off for the greatest sprinter to have ever walked the face of the earth. You all realize that after Bolt runs the 100 final on Saturday, that's the highlight of the meet right there. Nothing else that happens for the rest of the championships will match the historic significance of Usain Bolt running his final individual race. Them should have found a way to push back the 100 later into the championships. Switch it with the 200 and build up the hype towards the biggest race in the event and give the big man a proper send-off. But be that as it may, there will be no dramatic maverick prediction against Bolt this year. Nobody not running no time to beat him. It's not like 2015 when Gatlin was running 9.8 and 9.7 regularly. Right now, it looks like about 9.8 small or 9.7 big that will win the gold in London. And them time they cannot beat Bolt. So the Maverick call it Bolt to win the 100 in 9.81. Unless Gatlin can find a late one.